Hello everybody, JT here. I am back with another video. It's been a while. I haven't released any video about Gibbscam, huh? Well, let's get to it. In this video, I will show you how you can use macro in Gibbscam, how to set it up, how to use. Uh, this one will be basically for the vise, but if you have a specific macro you want to use, you can use this procedure method to import the macro in and you to set it up. So this one will be just, easy basic. Okay, let's get the part in. I have this part right here. See, okay, it doesn't show good, so let's just duplicate that and then delete this one. So you're gonna set up like this, right? Okay, so your part like that, let's make it a little bit so you can have a better quality of the image. Okay. All right, so let's say if you have a part like this, you want to put the vise in here in case, like you program out here, if you cut into the vise or you don't cut into the vise. I mean, this one is good if you do on 5-axis machine, or good for people that new to Gibbscam or new to programming or new into the CNC world, because when you see a vise on there, you know exactly what you are going to cut or to do, right? But let's say we need to get some kind of stock in here. So let's draw some stock. I know the size already, so I'll just add 250 per side. Okay. The same thing, the thickness of this part is 1 inch, so I do 1 1/4, right? So you can have you can set up like that. Oh, I need to move this one up a little bit. If that's a raw material you want, let's say you have 10,000 to clean it up on top of it. So you can rename this. I think if you watch my video, you know what to do, but just click on it and then rename to whatever it is. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay. Okay, so that's how it's gonna be. How it's gonna look, right? In here, in macro, I have 6 and 8. Well, maybe I should delete it because I did this before I make the video to make sure it works first. But don't worry, I will, go step by step so you can see how it's gonna be done. Alright, so click macro. So if you don't have any macro, you don't see anything here yet. Okay, so all you need to do is click on here, the wheel, then you browse to, let's do 6 inches first. So after you put the path in here, you have to do update. Okay, and when you see up here, that means this macro is active, ready to use. Okay, again, oh, so you can see this one highlight. Why, right? This one highlight, this one not. Now this one highlight. So if you want to add another macro, you have to click on each line here to be able to use another macro. If you put in here, you browse it, and then you will override that one, which we don't want yet. So let if you change the macro and then you can update it. But for now, we just import another one, 8 inches. Okay, and then you have to do update. So when you click update, it will jump up here, and that way you will see it. So now just okay. Now you can see it in here, 6 and 8. Okay. Okay, this is how you're gonna set up, right? Click on it. Let's do 6 inches vise first. In here, the only thing I use is this. As you can see, total depth is this y allow. Okay, so this y is only allow up to this long on the y. Okay, but for this one it only 6 inches, so it should be well in that range. This is the only thing that you need to input in. So whatever your parallel you put here, let's say if you do 1.5, you put 1.5. If you do 1.625, you do 1.625. I know 625 better because I don't have a lot of hole. In fact, 250 only 10,000. So I think we can do 1.5. But regardless, right? Whatever your parallel height you put in here, and then just click OK, and it will set up automatically. See if it clear the part. Barely. Try on it. So see, the reason you use this is so you can see the vise and the part. So when you make the program, when you cut leaf, and then you know that if you cut into the vise or you don't cut into the vise, which, very helpful for, like people that don't know well enough or don't know give well enough to or new people who just like start learning gib and learning programming and stuff like that. So I think it's very useful, but for this one probably not gonna work because it's right on there. So let's just delete it. So you can just move it down, but let's pretend you're gonna use it. You're gonna set up again, so we need to adjust it 12625 or whatever your parallel is. Now it will be clear, right? So you have a gap in there, so you know that you're not gonna cut into the vise. Okay, so that's how it's gonna work. Let's delete it and see how is the 8 inches vise. See it automatically set up to your stock, not the part, but the stock. Okay. You see this one, the wide jaw, and this one right on it. The stock is, the part is not like right on there. You see the gap there? I think you know what I mean. This one probably too big for this, so we probably need like a higher vise. Oh, what does it say in here? I haven't even, I didn't even look. See how range, this one can go up to 10, total depth 2.2. So if you have, if you use the 8 inches wide, you have to have, like bigger parallel, higher, taller parallel. So well, okay, just want to wrap up this video. It's very basic. This one, like I said, for people start programming, new to Gib, new to CNC world. In this case, you can see how your program is gonna run when you render it, and see if you cut into the vise or you don't. So it's helpful to some but not. I sometimes I use it if like a lot of feature in here that I need to see if I cut into a vine or cut into parallel, specifically in the 5-axis world. If you have a 5 visual like 3D model in there, you can see exactly how your program gonna act. So hope you guys like it, and if you do, make sure subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and like my video, comment down there if something I don't do it correctly or something you want to see. Just uh, comment down there. And oh, and I will link this two vices macro file vices to the folder under description or comment, so you can download and use it. I don't make this macro, just to clarify. Okay, I just download from the internet, so but it works. All right, hope you guys like it, and see you guys next time. Goodbye for now.